Very welcome back. Now, our next guest has terrorised the streets and love hate, said mass in Derry Girls, and now he stars alongside Baz Ashmawy in the hit comedy Faithless.
You may know him as Art, but in the spirit of Lady Gaga, Elton John, well, that's just a screen name. Good welcome to Peter Campion. Peter, good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
Yes, Art. Everyone knows you as Art, but realistically, day by day, home life.
On the ground,
Peter.
I'm Peter. Yeah, Art Campion's just.
So why did you decide on a stage name, darling?
Well, it only happened a couple of years ago. I just had this idea one day, and it felt like the right thing to do, and I had to do it. And
you just really sort of said, so it wasn't an agent or anything saying,
no,
do this?
Just one day, it just dropped down from the sky and went.
Whenever I met Alan, first of all, he would only introduce himself as Sammy Sausages. But eventually we got to know the real man behind it. But listen, fair play, that's what it is. Art Campion is what a lot of people know you from telly as well. Listen, you have a great success as well. I know you're just off the Civic Theatre doing a show there too.
Yes. We did a run of the play version of The Quiet Man.
Yes.
So that was a lot of fun, in the Civic and Tala.
Amazing. And now, of course, on people's TV screens in Faithless alongside Baz.
Yeah.
Are you enjoying it?
Very much so. Yeah, very much so. No, that was a hoot to shoot. The writing was so good, So when you're on set and the writing's good, a lot of fun can be had.
Because you play Baz's, his character's brother-in-law.
Yes.
And the mayhem, that because you have to move into Baz's house.
Yes.
So tell us about how that all came.
Yes, so I think that clip, there's a clip actually going on social media. I don't know if you've seen it. It's me and Dipna, me and my mom, and she's kicking me out of the house. I think it's reached nearly maybe 500,000 views on social media. Like, it's just blown up, this video. Because I think it's really hit a chord with mums and dads wanting their older kids to move out.
To get out.
And, like, the comments in the comment section are very...
real.
Emotional.
Yeah.
Like, people are like,
Oh, really?
Yeah, you
and
want
they're
to
just sort of saying, like, that struck a chord with me because we're living at home or whatever.
Yeah, big time. I was actually quite taken aback by it. So I think that's why it's still doing the rounds, this clip. But anyway, that's what happens in the second season. I get kicked out by my mom, and then I think it's a great idea to move in with Sam, who Cormac absolutely adores.
Well, we don't have that clip, but we do have a clip.
You're getting kicked out.
Faithless. Let's have a quick look at the show.
Ask me, pal. Go on.
Why do you insist on using the back door?
No, not about that. Ask me about my suitcase. Never mind. I'm homeless, Sammy. Abandoned. Homeless.
What are you on about now?
Ma'am, she's kicked me out just like that. Think she's got a fella. I'm sure of it. Why is Ruby here?
Because my brother's a piece of...
Relax, pal. Relax. Look, why don't I put my bag away and make us a nice cup of tea?
Come again?
I'm homeless, Sammy. Where else am I going
You
to
can
go?
stay here. There's no room for you.
You got a nice double bed.
You're not staying in my bed.
I'll pay rent. I'll help you.
Why does everyone keep saying that to me?
Look, you need the money. I'm independently wealthy. It'd be like indecent proposal, only decent.
The f*** are you talking about? I'm not sleeping with a man in my bed, okay?
You sound a little homophobic there, Sammy. We both know you Arabs don't have the best reputation with the gays.
I love
the
it.
writing great?
It's
so good, the writing.
It's so good.
When the writing's there, you can just,
And then the next scene, the two of you are in the bed together.
Yeah.
I love it.
Is that down to the writing, or is it you are kind of just put into this situation, this scenario, just go for it?
No, I'm kind of blue in the face saying this. When the script is there, you know instinctively when you read it that lots can happen. And then so much can happen, beyond the script. But when the script isn't there, it just takes work to get it together and make something. But, that's just easy.
Yeah.
When the writing's like that. You just say it,
And
but
speaking
a lot of it as well is you do address, like, there's a lot of realistic, like, it's kind of comedians when they pick up on observational comedy. There are real things that are going on in people's lives.
Yeah.
And serious things, like you said about leaving your parents' house.
Yes.
But said in a funny way that connects with people.
Yeah. Well, that's Baz. He just pulled in all these themes and, got them down on paper. So, that's...
And when you saw the script on one of the episodes and you had to do some Arabic, how did you get around that?
Actually, there was no Arabic in the script.
Oh, wasn't
there was just, in the stage directions, I had to put on this thing called a galabeya, which is a traditional Egyptian garb.
Which you quite liked?
Yeah, they're very comfortable.
Are they?
I highly recommend. Man. These trouser things, these are like overrated, these things are wearing at the moment.
Airy, kind of.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, just
let it all hang
out.
out.
Like a kilt. It's just, it's. I mean, I mean, it's a good way to go. But anyway, so I had to kind of take on this role as like a kind of a 70-year-old Egyptian elder, and I had a fly swatter, total kind of, you know, broad stroke kind of caricature. But anyway, I thought it might be a good idea to lash out some Arabic. So I got a few words off the lads on set.
From the lads off set.
Yeah.
And just, there you go, the ad-libbing.
Yeah, so I mean, yeah, that was a bit off script.
All right.
Yeah.
And Baz quite happy with that.
Yeah,
like, you know, it's like going,
Like
I mean,
we'd have a discussion and we'd say, "Is this work?
Yeah.
I think that works. That worked. No, it doesn't work." You know. So yeah.
It's amazing. Listen, it's a great show. As I said, those social media clips though as well, just absolutely so poignant, so funny as well.
Did you see the one where he walks in and Baz's bum is in the air?
I did. I saw that one as well. A lot of people, I'd say that's had much more than 500,000 views. Listen, people would have seen you as well as the sexy priest.
Yes,
that wasn't in the script either. You weren't meant to be known as the sexy
Well,
sexy
I can't
priest.
remember actually if the
In
word
Derry
sexy
Girls,
was
of
actually
course,
in the
this
script.
is.
But I mean, I think maybe he could have, you know, that was adopted maybe after we shot. But yeah.
You've worked with Baz, obviously working with Lisa McGee as well. You've been so fortunate to work with some amazing writers.
Yes. No,
There he is. Look at him. The slow-mo coming in. And of course, you were the sexy priest before Andrew Scott became the sexy priest.
Can I just say something real quick about the slow-mo?
Yeah.
Never tell an actor you're going to do slow-mo.
Because you actually
Because
slow
what
down.
happens is subconsciously you go on set and you'll start.
Where they're telling you you're going to slow-mo, but you're doing it in real life.
That happened on Love Hate years ago. It was like, lads, we're going to do a slow-mo set, a slow-mo set now. And we're like, okay, cool. Never tell an actor to do slow-mo. So anyway, they did tell me, and then I remembered not to pretend to.
You were doing the hair flick in slow motion.
Yeah.
Great
Love
times.
it, love
And Love Island. Love
Hate
as well. And we were just talking about Blue Lights as well.
Sure.
Part of that, which is blown up as well.
Yes. And as I was saying earlier, like I shot that years ago, but because of streaming, it's still there for people to watch.
Yeah.
So I think it's really blown up in the UK.
Yeah,
like
It really is.
exploded.
BAFTA winning. BAFTA winning now.
It's amazing. Listen, Peter, thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
coming in to join us as well.
Thanks.
Episode 3 of Faithless, it airs tonight
Yes.
on Virgin Media 1, or else you can watch it on Virgin Media Play. Peter, great to see you.
Thanks
Thanks very
guys.
much. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for coming in.
We're
what's happening?
up tomorrow.
We will be here tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. with all sorts of things. We hope that you have an absolutely lovely day. Thanks so much for joining us on Ireland Now. Bye.